All right, here we go. Today's project, not really a project, more of a product review. This is something that I had ordered from Amazon on Prime Day. It just came in last week, and I think this will help everyone out there. Literally everyone, whether you own a lowered car, lifted truck, whatever, even a regular vehicle, I guarantee this will help all of you. Not 100% guarantee, but pretty much guarantee. Anyway, let me show you what I have and how it's gonna go. Happy Friday. Here's another project. So as you can tell from the thumbnail, maybe, the problem I have is the same problem that I'd say almost every single car guy with a ramp, with a driveway like this has. So I am sick and tired of putting about 6 blocks of wood on each side just to get my cars in and out of the garage. That's one of the reasons that I hate driving my 35, is because it's such a pain in the neck to get it in and out. It is literally a nightmare to get the cars in and out of the garage because of the driveway that's kind of messed up like this. So I had an idea. I went on Amazon, tried to see if there was anything on there that could help me out. Last week was Prime Day, and I found something. There is a company that makes these kind of ramps and a whole bunch of other products, but that company was really, really good, and I've seen it on another driveway somewhere else. That ramp was about $500 to $700. There's no way in hell I'm gonna spend $500 to $700 on a ramp. I'd rather keep using my blocks of wood. But found something even better, and I'll show you guys what that is. This will solve all my problems, and I'll go over some of the other products that they have. It just came a couple days ago, and I'll do the unboxing and show you guys what I got. This thing is really, really heavy. Let me grab the other one. Okay, so the company is, what is the company's name? I can't even pronounce it. Let me just show you guys what the company name is. Vever, I have no idea. Tough Tools, half price. That is funny, that is hilarious. Let me peel off the tag so you can see the vendor name a little better. But anyway, this is the company's name. Now, like I said, the other company that's super high quality, theirs was about $500 to $700 for 1 or 2 pieces, I think. I found this on Amazon Prime Day, $72 for each. You can buy them by the singles, and the other way that it comes is in a pack of 3. The pack of 3 was about $200 something. I don't need 3, I only need 2. So I bought 2 individuals at $72 each, which is a damn good price for me. Let me unbox this and see what they look like. My first impression, as soon as I opened the box, I got this unbelievably strong odor smell coming out. Because it's made out of rubber, I don't know what kind of rubber, recycled rubber or what, but it's nasty, it stinks, it smells like a box of condoms. Gross. Let me turn it around and see what it looks like. Alright, this thing is solid rubber. It is heavy. It has their name stamped on the front. The yellow is pretty reflective, and it's feels like sandpaper. It's got a lot of grip. It feels really good. The overall construction is really, really good. It's curved, it's bent. There's mounting holes if you want to bolt it into the concrete. There's like a U shape, and the bottom is channeled out to let water flow through. Now, because of the homeowners association, and the sidewalk is technically city property, the city and county property is from the edge of the sidewalk 36 inches in is 36 inches into the road, into the driveway from the roadway. So by law, 36 inches belongs to the city and county. It is not my property, so I cannot just drill holes and bolt this thing down as much as I'd like to. And like I said, because of the homeowners association, I would most likely get fined. So I'm gonna have to take this thing in and out whenever I want, but it's a whole lot easier than dealing with a dozen blocks of wood. Let me just lay it on the ground, see what it looks like. So I guess it comes with some mounting hardware. And yeah, it does come with some mounting hardware, but like I said, I'm not gonna bolt this thing into the ground. It feels super, super solid. It feels really good. Wow. So the only thing left to do is test it out. I'm gonna pull the 34 on here, then I'm gonna try to run it over with the Tacoma, and that should be it. So let me grab the car, test it out. All right, there you have it. Now I know why they say to bolt it in. You cannot step on the gas pedal as you're going up. You will make it slide or figure out some way to secure it. But it works. It really, really works. Holy cows. It felt so solid. I did not feel the car sink at all. Very stable, ton of traction. I love this thing. There is no need to test it out with the Tacoma because I know these things are damn solid. So that's it for this project. Super fast, super easy. Today is Friday. Time to get your Friday on, get your drink on, whatever. The company's name is Vivor. I don't know. Here, these guys. It comes with mounting hardware, and it also came with a brochure that shows some of their product lines. Let me show you what they got. All right, guys, here it is. Vivor, I don't know, but It shows some of the things that they carry, some of their product lines. I have the Type A, there's a Type B, Type C, Type D. I guess these last two are more for actual driveways that has a flat curb to it. And this page I saw has some dimensions. So it gives you all the dimensions: width, height, packaging size, kilo, weight, whatever, I don't know. But anyway, check them out. It wouldn't make any sense for me to put a link in the description, because when I did buy this from Amazon on Prime Day, it said 2 left. I got the last 2. But check them out on Amazon, Viver, whatever. You know what, let me drive the car down and see if it makes a difference. I'll show you guys a downward version before I end this video. So you saw it kind of hit a little, but that's my fault. I wanted to go as straight as possible to see if I could do a straight on angle. I should have angled it out like I was supposed to, but that's on me. Anyway, this thing works amazing. I love it. It's a must. It's a need for any car guy, lifted truck, whatever. It makes those transitions going into your driveway so smooth. Your wife will not smash the front of your cars anymore. You guys need it. I'm telling you, you really need it. So that's it for today. Check them out on Amazon, Viver, I don't know. Just check it out. You guys will find it. It's about $72 each. Happy Friday. I will see you guys very, very soon on my next project.